Hi, I'm Harry with DevExpress, and in this video, we're going to take a look at a new column of the ASPxGridView that allows you to show values that are in different ranges as a progress bar. So let's take a look. I've started with a blank website here. The first thing I want to do is bring in the sample database, which you can find in our demos folder. It's called editorsampledb.mdb, and I'll just drag that and drop it into the app data folder. And if you take a look at the MDB, it has a couple of tables, one of them which is called tasks, which has a completion column that shows various amounts of a completed task. So let's hook this up to the ASPxGridView. I'll go to the design mode, and I'll drop an ASPxGridView onto the form. Now I'll set up a new data source to bind to the editorsample.mdb. We'll choose the access data source. Select OK, and now we'll point to our MDB file. And finally, I'll select the tasks table. I'll select name, priority, status, complete, and assign two fields. Test the query. And now our ASPxGridView is bind. I'll also select an auto format. Here in this instance, I'll select Aqua. Click OK to copy the files over. Select Yes to import the files into our local folder. Now let's take a look at this in action. The first thing we'll notice is that the complete column doesn't show the progress bar. What we want to do is set up our complete column as a progress bar type. So let's go back to the solution. From the Smart tag, select Columns, and then select the complete column, and we'll change it to the progress bar column type. Now, within the properties progress bar, we have some options. We can select the minimum and maximum amount. In this case, we're okay with 0 and 100. And we can also change the indicator style. We have some properties to select a different CSS class, as well as change some of the properties for the borders and the back color. I'll leave it to the default options for now. I'll click OK to close this dialog. And now let's take a look at it with the progress bar. The first thing we'll see is that in the design mode, we know it's a progress column because we have a preview of it here. Now, I'll simply rerun this. Now we see that our progress bar column is going to display those amounts as a graphic, a nice little progress indicator graphic. Now I also want to mention that different themes have different look for the progress bar column. So let's take a look if we change this theme to Aqua. I'll select a new auto format. Let's bring in glass. I'll select OK to copy glass themes over to the local project. Now let's take a look at this in action. Now you'll see that the progress indicator uses a different style for the progress star. So if it's 100%, we'll see a bubble around it, and if it's 56% or something, we'll see half a bubble around the number. So as you saw in the video, the progress bar indicator is a great way to show off range of values that need to be shown that have a beginning and end value. And the different skins allow you to show them with different images and different styles. Thanks for watching.